All right, going down into a black hole, into a dungeon, just to prove that I might go anywhere to make a video. Yeah. See if we can take it all in here. We got a tank over there. We got that large black tank. Spider web.
Asbestos covered pipes.
Oh yes. A boiler. A situation. It almost looks like we're on the bottom of the ocean, taking a picture of a sunken ship here. You know, if I drop my camera in this mess, I'm going to hate myself for the rest of the day. Now let's see, let's shine down here on this timber. Get a picture of, down here at this area here. The timber in very good shape here. And let's see what's around the corner here if possible. Not too much in there, but
perhaps an old coal chute.
Yeah. There might even be some parts on this plumbing I can't identify. I don't know. Certainly some of it you might not be able to obtain today unless you came here and took it out. Nice collection of spider webs everywhere, yeah. Let's see, shine the light, expand the telephoto part and shine it way, gets pretty deep over there. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is about all the nasty area we need to be in today. Take another look at this boiler here. If we can get any of the front door, the doors on it there. We're really down here where you kind of could hide some dead bodies. Or, well, just throw them down here. If they're not dead, they will be soon. That's enough for that. See if we can get out of here. Ooh.